Hello, everyone. It is so good to see you again. Today is a very calm and cozy day. I am sitting here with my good friend Alex, and we are just having a nice chat. How are you today, Alex?
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I am feeling very good today. I have a warm cup of green tea in my hand, and I am looking out the window. It is cold outside, but it is very warm in here.
I agree. It is the perfect time for a conversation. Do you know what month it is, Alex?
Of course, it is February. I like the name of this month. It sounds interesting. But February is a bit strange, right? It is a very small month.
You are right. It is the shortest month of the year, only 28 or 29 days.
Yes, that is why I like it. Winter is almost finished. But tell me, Emma, do you like the weather in February? For me, February is more short than January, so the winter feels faster.
February is more short than January. Well, actually, in English, for short words like short, we add ER at the end. We say shorter. So the correct way is February is shorter than January. If you knew that, you are doing a great job. You are a very smart learner. Alex, let's practice that together. Everyone, repeat with us. February is shorter than January.
February is shorter than January.
The days are getting longer.
The days are getting longer. Thank you, Emma. February is shorter. I will remember that. And because it is shorter, I feel like spring is coming very soon. I can see more sun in the afternoons now.
Yes, the light is changing. It is not so dark anymore. In February, I always start to dream about flowers and green trees. Do you have any special plans for this month, Alex?
Well, I want to buy a new plant for my room, something green. And also, I'm thinking about Valentine's Day. It is a big day in February, right?
It is so relaxing to sit here, Alex. I love the sound of the wind when I am inside a warm room. You mentioned Valentine's Day. It is on the 14th of February. Do you usually celebrate it?
Yes, I do. I think it is a very sweet holiday. It is not only for people in love. I like to give small gifts to my friends and my mother, too. It makes people smile.
That is a wonderful idea, Alex. Kindness is very important in the winter. What kind of gifts do you like to give? Flowers or maybe something sweet?
I usually go to the big shop near my house. They have very good sweets there. Last year, I bought mini chocolate for everyone. It was a very big bag.
I bought many chocolate. Listeners, stop for a second. Think about that sentence. I bought many chocolate. Does that sound right to you? What do you think about the word chocolate? I bought many chocolate. Well, dear learners, in English we use many for things we can count, but chocolate is usually something we cannot count, like water or air. So we should say much chocolate, or even better, a lot of chocolate. If you caught that, you are doing a great job. You are becoming a real English expert. Alex, let's practice the correct way. Everyone, follow us. I bought a lot of chocolate.
I bought a lot of chocolate.
I love eating dark chocolate.
I love eating dark chocolate. A lot of chocolate. Yes, that sounds better. I bought a lot of chocolate and some pink flowers. My mother was very happy. She says that February is her favorite month because of these small surprises.
That is so kind of you. My sister also loves February. She says the same thing. She likes the quiet evenings and the cozy atmosphere. Do you have any other traditions for this month?
Well, I have a friend from Italy. His name is Marco. My friend loves February because it is the time of the carnival in his country. He always sends me photos of beautiful masks and colorful costumes.
My friend love February. Wait a moment, detectives. Did you hear that? My friend love February. Think about the verb love. Alex is talking about his friend, Marco. Is that correct? My friend love February. No, remember our rule for he, she, and it. We must add a small s to the verb. So the correct sentence is, my friend loves February. If you knew we needed an S there, you are a super learner. You are making great progress. Alex, let's say it correctly. Everyone, repeat with us. My friend loves February.
My friend loves February.
He loves the carnival.
He loves the carnival. My friend loves, yes, the S is very important. I often forget it when I'm relaxed, but Marco's photos are amazing. The carnival looks like a huge party on the streets. It makes me want to travel to Italy one day.
I hope you can go there soon, Alex. Italy is beautiful in February, but for now, we have our tea and our conversation. Let's talk about the end of the month. When February finishes, spring is officially here.
Warm, encouraging teacher friend, softly and very clearly. Alex, do you hear that? Listen very carefully. It is the sound of a bird outside. Even in February, the birds know that the weather is changing. It makes me feel so hopeful. It is like the world is slowly waking up from a long, cold dream.
Yes, I can hear it, Emma. It is a very sweet sound. It is a sign that the winter is losing its power. I am looking out the window now at your garden. The snow is starting to melt. It is not a big white blanket anymore. Now there are just small pieces of ice on the brown grass. It looks a bit messy, but it is a good sign.
I love that description, Alex. A white blanket. That is very beautiful. I noticed that change too. This morning, I walked to the park and I could smell the wet earth. It is a very special smell. It is the smell of life returning to the trees and the flowers. February is short, but it is full of these little changes.
Exactly. And I feel like I am waking up too. In December and January, I just wanted to stay on my sofa, sleep, and eat heavy food. But now, in February, I have more energy. I am very excited for the spring to arrive. I want to go outside and ride my bicycle again.
Stopping for a moment, repeating slowly. I am very exciting. Turning to the listeners. Listeners, let's stop and think for a second. Alex said, I am very exciting. Does that sound correct to you? Think about how Alex feels. Is he exciting or is he something else? Clearly and slowly, I am very exciting. Well, dear friends, in English, we use the ending ing to describe a thing or a situation, like the movie is exciting. But when we talk about our own human feelings, we must use the ending ed. So, the correct way to say it is, I am very excited for the spring. Brightly to the audience, if you knew that Alex should be excited, you are a fantastic learner. You are doing a great job today. Alex, let's practice that feeling. Everyone, please repeat after us. Very slowly, I am excited for the spring.
Pronouncing the ed ending very clearly. I am excited for the spring.
Very slowly, I am interested in nature.
pronouncing the ED ending very clearly. I am interested in nature, nodding slowly. I am excited. Yes, I feel it inside me. I am excited to see the first flowers. In my garden, there are small white flowers that come out in late February. They are called snowdrops. They look like tiny bells. Do you know them, Emma?
Oh, I love snowdrops. They are so brave. They grow even when the ground is still a bit frozen. They are like a little promise of March. Speaking of March, that's only a few weeks away. Do you have any big plans for the first day of next month?
Yes, I do. My sister is having a birthday very soon. I want to visit her and her family. I am planning to go to her house on March 1st. We are going to have a big dinner with a chocolate cake. I am very happy about it.
Stopping, repeating very clearly, I am planning to go in March 1st. Turning to the audience, wait a minute, detectives. Listen to that small word before the date. In March 1st. Is that the correct preposition for a specific date on the calendar? In March 1st. No, remember our important rule. For months alone, we use in, like in March. But when we have a specific day or a specific date, we must use the word on. So the correct sentence is, I am planning to go on March 1st. If you caught that mistake, you are a super learner. You have a very good ear for English grammar. Alex, let's say it correctly for your sister's birthday trip. Everyone repeat with us. On March 1st.
On March 1st.
I will see her on Saturday.
I will see her on Saturday. On March 1st, on Saturday. Prepositions are like small puzzles, but I am learning every day. I will see my sister on her birthday, and I will bring her a lot of flowers, maybe some yellow mimosas. They look like little suns, and they smell like spring.
That sounds like a perfect plan, Alex. February is a month of waiting, but it is also a month of preparing. We prepare our hearts for the new season. We finish our winter stories, and we spend quality time with good friends, just like we're doing right now with our tea.
Taking a final sip of tea, I am very happy we had this conversation, Emma. My tea is finished now, but I feel very warm and ready for the rest of my day. Thank you for helping me with my grammar mistakes. It was very helpful.
You are very welcome, Alex. And thank you, everyone, for joining us in our cozy room today. How was your February? Did you find all the mistakes in our talk? We love to hear from you.
Yes, please tell us your stories in the comments. It makes us happy to read them. If you enjoyed this chilled conversation, please click the like button. It helps our channel grow.
Thank you for practicing your English with us. Keep your ears open and keep practicing every single day. We have so much more to share with you tomorrow.
That is right. We will see you tomorrow in our next video. Have a wonderful and cozy day, everyone.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.